In this evening's health report, Shamela Pullen looks at how stigma is preventing people diagnosed with epilepsy from accessing medical care.
Epilepsy is a condition that affects the brain, causing seizures. Some people with epilepsy simply stare blankly for a few seconds during a seizure, while others repeatedly twitch their arms or legs. Consultant neurologist at the University Hospital of the West Indies, Dr. Tamika March, says at least 3 persons are diagnosed weekly at the facility.
Most persons, though, are still having difficulty in accepting the disease just because of the stigma. So even when they come and we make the diagnosis, they go away, they don't take their medication because they believe that it is some other forces, somebody is trying to work obia on them, it is some demonic possession, somebody's trying to do them harm, and because of that they seek other avenues, other non-medical avenues to try to get a control of this disease.
The cause is unknown, but genetics seem to play a role. Dr. Mark says there are certain activities which must be avoided when one has epilepsy.
Number 1, it's going swimming. Absolutely not. No swimming, no deep diving. You can't be a fisherman going out to deep sea, because if you have an attack while you're in water, that's the end of your life. Also, in terms of having a bath, it's better to have a shower. We in Jamaica, we use shower for everything, but shower means to stand up and to have your bath. Fill in the tub and lying down without somebody present is an absolute no-no. Having a shower or a bath with the door locked with a key and padlock is an absolutely no-no.
The doctor also dispelled myths associated with seizures.
There's also this thing about putting old shoes or socks over the nose if you see them shaking all over and frothing at the mouth. Put nutmeg, put garlic, put metal spoon, put smelling salts. All of these things are not helpful. If you are in the midst of somebody who is having an attack of seizure, they're shaking all over, frothing at the mouth, you turn them on their side and you make sure that they're not harming themselves.
Affected persons are also advised to continue taking their medications even after they haven't had a seizure attack in weeks. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.